How to use Google Voice for Business via Google Workspace. First of all, sign into your Google Workspace admin console using your administrator account. Navigate to the App section and select Google Voice from the list of available services. From here, you can assign Google Voice license to users within your organization, enabling them to have business phone numbers linked to their Google accounts. You can customize settings like call routing, voicemail greetings, and call forwarding for each user to match your business needs. Google Voice integrates seamlessly with other Google Workspace apps like Gmail and Calendar, allowing you to manage calls and messages alongside your workflow. This setup offers features such as multi-device syncing, call transfer, and spam filtering to help your business stay connected and organized. Now you know how to use Google Voice for Business via Google Workspace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.